This video is for the 8th grade research project, assignment 1, database and begin presentation. So first you're going to go to hmslibrarymedia.weebly.com and you're going to click on resources up at the top. From here you're going to click on online databases. Next you're going to click on Gale Databases Full Suite. From here, what you're going to do is you're going to search for an article on your topic. So perhaps we can search using technology in school. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to filter our results. So you're going to click on full text. And then next what we're going to do is we can choose what kind of content type we want. Right now it's on magazines. Let's say we wanted a news article or an academic journal. We would click on that. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on academic journals. And then what you're going to do is you're going to find an article that you think is going to work. And the thing is, you might not find a good article right away. So, for example, we can do this one right here, using handheld wireless technologies in school. But you want to make sure that you find a good article first. Don't just choose the first one that's listed. So then next what we're going to do is, once you've checked to make sure that it's a good article to use, you're going to click on bookmark up at the top. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click and drag to highlight the bookmark URL. And next you're going to hit Control-C on your keyboard. From here what we're going to do is open up a new tab, and you're going to click on the little 3x3 grid that appears. There it goes. Okay, so 3x3 grid, and click on Drive. And next you're going to start a new slideshow. So you would click on New up at the top and click on Google Slides. From here what you would do is you would click on Share in the top right corner to share the presentation or the slideshow with your partner. And then what it's going to do next is it's going to make it so that you give it a name. So let's say we call it Phones in School, and then hit Save. And then you would type in your partner's email address and click on Send. Anyway, next what we're going to do is we're going to click on a theme. You can choose any of the themes over here. You don't necessarily have to use a theme, but anyway, I'm just going to click on whatever theme. And next what you're going to do is add a title up at the top, and add your names down where it says subtitle. Next what you're going to do is click on the plus sign in order to add a new slide. And what you're going to do is where it says click to add title, you can just type something like database, and then click where it says click to add text. And then you're going to hit Control-V on your keyboard to paste the database link, and then hit the space bar, and that'll turn it into a clickable link. Next what you're going to do is hit the plus sign again in order to add another slide. And then for the title, you just want to say something like what we want, because you want to make it clear what it is that you want, and then click where it says click to add text. And then you can click on more in order to add bullets, which is the 3 dots with the 3 lines, and you can say you know, what it is that you want. So we want to be able to use phones in school. And you want to give reasons. Don't just say what it is that you want. Kind of give some reasons, you know, your own reasons at this part. And you can say something like helps students stay motivated and organized. But obviously don't copy my reasons, but you want to make sure that you have a couple of your own reasons. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to add another slide, so click on the plus sign. And next, what you're going to do is click on where it says title, and you can type something like research. And from here, what you're going to do is you're going to add more bullets. So click on more, click on bullets again. And then what you want to do is you want to give specific information from your research. So we can say according to, and we're going to find out the person's name in the article. So click back over and just X out of that bookmark. So this was written by Hanny Morgan in 2010. So we would say according to Hanny Morgan, and then 2010, and then quotation marks, and we can copy and paste a fact from that article. So anyway, what we can do is find an informational piece that shows you know, good information. So for example, we can say computing devices can benefit students by one of these things. So we'll just go ahead and copy that. So if you highlight it and then hit Control-C on your keyboard and then click back over to your presentation and then hit Control-V on your keyboard. Now if it ends up being tiny like that, what you want to do actually is hit Control-Z. If you put your pointer in the text box and then two-finger click on your touchpad, you will have the option to paste without formatting. Anyway, then what you would do is put an ending quote, and then what you essentially want to do is you want to continue to add more ideas from your research, just like what we show here. So you would go back over to your document and say according to whomever and copy and paste quotes, and that's it.